Ford F-Series 8th generation. The 8th generation of the Ford F-Series is a line of pickup trucks and light to medium-duty commercial trucks produced by Ford from 1986 to 1991. While the 1980 cab and chassis was carried over to the new model, the 1987 model was more streamlined and maintenance items were made simpler. The exterior was facelifted with new composite headlamps, a more aerodynamic front end, and circular fenders. Inside, the interior was given a complete redesign. Rear antilock brakes were now standard, the first pickup truck to boast this. For the first time, all models were produced with straight-sided Styleside beds. The Flareside bed was discontinued except for a small number of early 1987 models using leftover 1986 beds with new circular fenders. In 1991, Ford premiered the 9th Gen tail lights. The white reverse light was decreased in size on the last year of the 8th generation. Trims. Custom included vinyl upholstery, black steering wheel, chrome front bumper, black grille, hubcaps, fold-away mirrors, and an electronic AM radio with digital clock and 2 speakers. Excel added cloth and vinyl upholstery, swing-away mirrors, front bumper rub strip, color-keyed floor mat, a door trim panel with mat pocket, and a color-keyed headliner. XLT Lariat added cloth upholstery, chrome grille, sport wheel covers, tinted glass carpeting, and leather-wrapped steering wheel. Night 1991 for 1991. A night trim package was introduced. It included all blacked-out exterior trim, either a pink or blue/purple stripe, and night decal on the sides of the cargo box. Models. Models. Powertrain and chassis. In a move to further update the F-Series engine lineup, the 4.9L inline-6 was converted to fuel injection for 1987. A year later, Ford became the first pickup truck manufacturer to sell a fully non-carbureted engine lineup, as the 5.8L V8 and 7.5L V8 also gained fuel injection. The 5.0L V8 had gained few. For 1988, the diesel V8 from International Navistar was enlarged to from 420 to 444 cubic inches 6.9 to 7.3L. This allowed for an increase to 180 HP 130 kW and 365 Ft lb/f 495 Nm of torque. While the dated 3-speed column-mounted manual transmission was discontinued, much of the rest of the transmission lineup carried over from the 1980-1986 trucks. In 1988, the 5-speed ZF S5-42 replaced the Borg-Warner T19 in F-250 and F-350 models. For the F-150 and light-duty F-250, the heavier-duty Borg-Warner T18 4-speed manual remained available, while the Mazda-built M5OD 5-speed manual was added to the model lineup for 4.9L inline-6 and 5.0L V8 equipped models. Four-wheel drive improvements included the addition of automatic locking hubs for the F-150 in 1989. Models with the 5.0L V8 also had an option of a touch-drive electronic transfer case. From 1980 through 1996, Ford offered a four-wheel drive swing-arm independent front suspension called Twin Traction Beam TTB. Based on its two-wheel drive twin I-beam suspension from 1965, Ford mounted a Dana 44 or Dana 50 differential in the driver's side front axle beam and transmitted torque to the passenger side wheel with a U-jointed axle shaft. TTB coil springs were still used on the F-150, while the four-wheel drive F-250 and F-350 got leaf springs. The F-250 received TTB Dana 50 axles, and the F-350 a solid Dana 60 axle. Engines. References